Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting day of coding. Welcome to day 31 of the Dev Challenge. Can you believe we've made it this far? Today, I'm gonna make linked lists super easy for you. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this is the place to be. Let's dive right into it. No time to waste. First things first, what's a linked list? Picture a chain. Each link in the chain is connected to the next. Each link holds data and points to the next link. This is the fundamental concept behind linked lists. That's basically how a linked list works. Simple, right? But there's so much more to explore. All right, let's jump to the code. This is where the magic happens. We're implementing a basic linked list with insertion and deletion methods. These are the building blocks of more complex data structures. Ready? Here we go. Let's get our hands dirty with some code. Start by defining a node class. This is the blueprint for each element in our linked list. Each node will have two things, data and a reference to the next node. Think of it as a package with a label pointing to the next package. Here's a quick snippet, Python class node. This is where we define the structure. Now, let's move on to the linked list class. This class will manage the nodes and provide methods to manipulate the list. Next, let's set up the linked list class. This will manage the nodes and ensure everything runs smoothly. This class will handle the operations we need, like adding and removing nodes. It's the backbone of our linked list. We need an insertion method to add nodes. Check this out. This method will allow us to add new elements to our list. Python class linked list. This is where we define how to add nodes to our list. Now, let's add a deletion method. This is crucial for managing our list effectively. We need to handle a few cases: deleting the head, deleting a middle node, and no node at all. Each case requires a different approach. Here's the code, Python. This will ensure we can remove nodes as needed. And there you have it, your basic linked list with insertion and deletion methods. But don't stop here. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you code, the better you'll get. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next challenge. There's always more to learn and explore. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more dev challenges. Your support keeps us going. Until next time, happy coding. Keep pushing your limits and never stop learning. See you soon, and happy coding.